In the fast-paced world of online businesses, an impressive 80% growth has been seen in the adaptation of artificial intelligence. It's not just a buzzword, it's a revolution. And leading this revolution is a suite that has been making waves in the digital market, AI Commissions 2024. When compared to others in the market, AI Commissions 2024 stands out. It's not just another suite of apps, it's a game-changing platform. While others offer piecemeal solutions, AI Commissions 2024 provides an all-encompassing approach. It has been designed to cater to every need of a digital marketer, providing a comprehensive integrated solution. Now let's delve into the heart of AI Commissions 2024. It's a suite of 10 state-of-the-art AI apps, each with its unique features and benefits. From content curation to social media management, from SEO optimization to ad campaign analysis, each app is a powerhouse in itself. And when used together, they create a synergy that can propel an online business to new heights. The first app in the suite is a content curator. It uses advanced AI algorithms to find and present the most relevant content for your online business. This saves you countless hours of research and ensures that your content is always fresh and engaging. The second app is a social media manager. It handles your social media presence, freeing you from the tedious task of constant updates and interaction. It also provides valuable insights into your audience's behavior, helping you tailor your social media strategy for maximum engagement. The third app is an SEO optimizer. It analyzes your website and provides actionable recommendations to improve your site's visibility in search engine results. It's like having your personal SEO expert. But the benefits of AI Commissions 2024 don't end here. The suite is designed to help users make significant profits. It does this by streamlining your online activities, reducing the time and effort required to manage your online business. With AI Commissions 2024, you can focus more on your core business and less on the mundane tasks. In conclusion, AI Commissions 2024 is not just a suite of AI apps, it's a game changer. It's a tool that can revolutionize your online business, helping you make significant profits and giving you an edge in the competitive world of digital marketing.